A very good evening. Welcome to the Walk the Talk show. I've got my colleague and the guest, Rishabh Deep Sunkar, with me. Today's topic of discussion is, do companies need to prioritize profits or purpose? So the first question to you, Rishabh, is that what do you think companies should prioritize, profit or purpose?
First of all, thank you, Mani, for having me. So I believe company should prioritize profit or purpose. I have a very neutral take on this.
Okay.
First of all, both are very important for the company. If we look at the purpose side, yes, purpose is important. Why? Because why you are doing the business, what services you are showing to your customer, and for the profits part, I believe that the main thing is for a company is to survival.
Okay.
Without survival, there won't be any purpose. So for survival, we need profit. So that's my take on this.
That's a good thing. Moving forward, why do you believe profit is important for a company?
Okay, mate. So as we talked earlier, that profits is the main part of the survival of a company,
Okay.
right? If we generate revenue, profits, that's how the company will be able to pay its employees, and they will work on their purpose.
Correct.
And continue providing better services, and maybe they will improve by the profits they will earn in the future, or maybe they earn. And I think profits make a huge difference, the point of difference in the different companies. Suppose if a company is having a higher profits,
Okay.
and then this company is having a lower profit, I believe to improve, the company with the higher profit will improve more and provide better services to their customers.
Okay. So what I understand with your point is that you are mentioning that to serve the purpose,
Yes.
company first needs the profit.
Yes.
Once the profit is there, they will definitely be able to serve the purpose.
Yes, I
Am I
believe.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So the next question to you is, why do you think purpose or social responsibility in a corporate setup or in a business setup is important?
See, when you have a goal to achieve, right? And you have somewhere about 50 employees
Okay.
working for a same goal. That motivates them. Suppose you are you in a sector of a tech sector, right? Now you are developing an app to help elder people, to help them understand everything, how the tech works and everything. Basically, any purpose you are doing. So there is a goal that we have to make this app, and the employees will work. And I believe that's why the purpose is more important for the corporate in the companies.
Understood. So my next question is, can a company survive without profits? So I know you've answered it, but if you could deep dive into this slightly.
See, Mahim, as we have talked earlier, I believe companies may survive. I think they won't be able to survive without profits, because for running your operation smoothly, and you have a future goals, to achieve your futuristic goals, you need profits. You need revenue. You need some amount of funds, right? For that, you need profits. I believe in the initial stages you might be able to survive, but if you want to grow in future and you want to invest in other sectors and you want to reach globally, maybe to the other markets, right? So for that you need profits and a revenue.
Okay. So the similar question when it comes to the purpose sector. Can a company survive without a purpose? And this is my last question.
I don't believe the company won't be able to survive without a purpose, because without the purpose there won't be any goal for what you will work for. If there is no purpose, I believe what your employee will work for. Suppose if there is no purpose in your life, what you are doing? You are doing nothing. For going ahead in your life, you need purpose. So I believe every company needs purpose for going ahead in the future.
Understand. So the balance between purpose and profit is important,
Yes.
where we cannot forget the fact that profit is the most important thing to drive
Yes.
a company.
Yes.
But once profits are generated,
Yes.
and meanwhile we work
With
on the
the
purpose
with
part,
the purpose,
we will be able to
Huh.
deliver quality
Yes.
and better results
better results.
with your employees being happy. That is what I can
Yes.
take out. That's a very wonderful thing, Mr. Rishabh.
Thank you.
So I think we are at the end of the show,
Yes.
and we had a lovely chat, a good walk the talk with Mr. Rishabh Deep Sonkar, and I'm Mahip Singh Shah.
Thank
signing
you,
off.
Mahit.
Thank you.
अरे बैन